So now let's see how we can work with keystroke call out annotations inside of Camtasia. So over here in the annotation section, here on the 6th tab, you can see that there's keystroke call out and there's different styles that you can apply. So let's say that you want to show something like a keyboard shortcut right here. You can simply click and drag it and you can see that this is what pops up right here, just like this. And as with any annotation, you can let it appear in any place and till any time. So here there's different styles of keystroke annotation that you can choose. So you can go and gray it out just like this, which is simply this one right here. And you can change it to clear type as well, which is simply this one right here. You can also go for outline, which is simply this one out here. So there's different types of annotations that you can choose out just like that, as you can see. So in order to enter the keys, you simply go over here and type in the shortcut or multiple keyword strokes that you want to have. Let's say just control, then just press control right here. Shift is shift, shift plus H, press shift plus H together, and that's how it works. Shift H I alt maybe, just like that. So alt and shift right here, alt shift H, control alt, shift H and H, just like alt control alt shift H and so forth. And everything is just here, as you can see right here. So you can type in any of the key right here and it'll just show up just like that. So multiple key presses right here or single key presses, what you want to show, that actually shows up right there as an annotation inside of the Camtasia project, and you can use it and display it for a certain time in the project. So that is how you can use the keystroke call out annotation inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.